Hi guys, it's Coach. How are you doing? I hope you're well. Today, I'm going to talk about hammer. Okay? Hammer. I think some of you have been waiting for this thing, right? The hammer is very unique weapon, so it might be interesting. So please keep watching. お願いします。So today I'm going to talk about hammer. Okay, so I'm going to talk about 5 things. The first one is what is hammer? What is hammer? Okay. The next one is how to write hammer in Japanese. How to write hammer in Japanese. Okay. The third one is how to call the parts of hammer. The parts of hammer. How to call. Okay. The fourth one is how to grip. How to grip hammer. Okay. The last one is hammer's kata. Hammer's kata. Okay. So I'm going to talk about 5 things. Okay. So now hammer is I think you know hammer is for gardening and farming like that. Okay. And it's very easy to get. I think you know Kobudo weapons like sai, nunchaku, and rochin, eiku. It's very difficult to get. Even in Japan, it's very hard to get, you know. But hammer, it's very easy to get because it's for gardening and farming. So in Japan, we can get hammer at a DIY store. But it costs about, the cheapest one is about $3. So it's very easy to get. So you know, but the other weapons like sides cost over $100. So and then it's very difficult to find. But hammer is very easy to get. Okay, and so as you see, hammer has blade edge like this, so you can cut very easily. Okay, so only hammer and lochin has a blade edge like this. Okay, so you have to careful to use them. Okay, very easy to get hurt. Okay, when you practice hammer, so and you are a beginner, so because hammer has an edge, so it's very dangerous. So at first you should practice with wooden hammer like this, so it's very safe to practice. Okay, and Ryukyu Kobudo, we use 2 hammer at the same time, so we can block and cut like this. So of course you can cut with 2 hammers like this. Okay, and next one is how to write hammer in Japanese. Okay, how to write hammer in Japanese. So Japanese has 3 type characters: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. So I will show you how to write hammer in 3 types. Okay, hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Okay, the first one is hiragana. Okay, we write like this: ka, ma, kama. Okay, and the next one is katakana. Okay, katakana. Right. Ka, ma, kama. Okay, so hiragana and katakana. Okay, and the last one is kanji, Chinese character. Okay, so like this. So this is hammer in kanji. Okay, so hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Okay, so this is how to write hammer in Japanese. Okay, Okay, the next one is the parts of camera. So how to call the parts of camera. Okay, so let's say this one. So I'm sorry, I'm not good at drawing, but it's camera. Okay, so at first here, this one. Here is we call e. Is e. Okay, and the next one is here. So we call mine. Okay, this is mine. Okay, and the last one here is be careful. So it's a H. We call ha. Okay, so there is e, and mine, and ha. Okay, so these are the parts of camera. Okay, so the next one is how to grip camera. There are 3 types. Okay, the first one is juntemochi, a normal grip. Okay, so with juntemochi, so you can cut and block and hook. Okay, and the next one is gyakutemochi. Okay, it's a reverse grip. So with gyakutemochi, so you can block and cut. Okay, so the last one is tokushumochi. So with tokushumochi, you can thrust. Okay, like this. So juntemochi, gyakutemochi, and tokushumochi. Okay, the last one is kamazu kata. Okay, there are not so many kamazu kata, and my style has only one kamazu kata. Okay, so we have kanigawa no nichogama. So we write like this: kanigawa no nichogama. Okay, so here nicho means double. So kanigawa no nichogama means kanigawa no double kama. Okay, so this is the kata that my style has. Okay, so today you learned about kama. Okay, the first one is what is kama. This one, how to write kama in Japanese. The third one is the parts of kama. Okay, and the fourth, how to grip kama. Okay, the last one is kamazu kata. Okay, so you learned 5 things. Thank you so much for watching today. Today you learned about kama. Okay, maybe next time I will show you the technique of kama and maybe kata of kama. Okay, so and I'm sorry about that. I haven't uploaded video these days because I have been busy a little bit. But from now on, I will try to make videos regularly. Okay, so please keep following me. So if you have any questions and suggestions for me, please write a comment here. So thanks again. See you next time. ありがとうございました。コブド最高！